How did you arrive in Medicine Hat? Because you have been a student for a long time. I was looking on your website. You've 3 different universities, I think.
Yeah, so, I grew up in Saskatoon, so I did my education there along with medical school in Saskatoon at the University of Saskatchewan. And then after my medical school, I applied to a orthopedic surgery residency program in Edmonton. We go through a matching process. So I matched to University of Alberta in Edmonton. So I spent a number of years there doing my residency program, followed by a arthroplasty, so like a joint replacement fellowship. So it's an extra year of training there. And then after that, I was still very interested in sports injuries and arthroscopic or minimally invasive surgery. So I did spend a year out in Halifax at Dalhousie, working with a group of surgeons out there, kind of more specifically training on sports and arthroscopic and joint preserving surgeries. So yeah, it's been a bit of a long journey. At the end of my second fellowship, I was kind of in a lucky year because every year is a little bit different for orthopedic surgery in terms of how many jobs are available and where they are and, what they might involve, what the group might be looking for. And, during that year, though, I had a few friends reach out to me about a job opportunity in Medicine Hat. One of the surgeons who had worked here for quite some time, a previous University of Alberta alumni, similar, Dr. Herring, had retired, so they were looking for a replacement, and his practice was a mixture of joint replacements and sports surgery. So it was just a very kind of good timing, it was a good fit from what skills I had trained for. And we also liked that we were kind of still in Alberta, but close to home in Saskatoon, but close to the mountains and things we like to do out there. And, so it's just been an excellent fit. And, it's just been a constant positive surprise to me. I'm just constantly positively surprised by, the job here. I'm fortunate to kind of showed up not knowing much about the place, but you come here and you walk into the hospital and it's like this beautiful surgical facility. Like, honestly, you would not find such a nice looking OR suite really in any of the bigger centers I've worked in. In Halifax, there was surgical sites where you'd feel like you're working in a broom closet. And it's just been very nice. I mean, honestly, there's been so many things to learn into my junior practice, my early years of practice, like learning how to run a practice, all the moving parts to it. But, there's been some great supports along the way. The hospital's been very supportive of me bringing in new surgeries and new procedures that we can do for patients. And, it's been an excellent group of colleagues that I've had the opportunity to work with as well.